children, today I am going to start the geography lesson, that is Unit 8, Indian Mineral and Power Resources. So in this lesson we are going to learn various things like the meaning and importance of minerals, important minerals of India like the occur, distribution and production, power resources of India, meaning and importance, conventional power resources, coal, petroleum and nuclear power, energy crisis and remedies in India. So first and foremost I am going to tell you about meaning and importance of minerals. Mineral is a natural inorganic substance that possesses a definite chemical composition and physical properties. Example, iron ore, manganese, bauxite, etc. The process of extracting minerals from the earth is called mining. So I'll repeat once again. So mineral is a natural inorganic substance that possesses a definite chemical composition and physical properties. Example, iron ore, manganese, bauxite, etc. The process of extracting minerals from the earth is called mining. Minerals are the gift of our nature. So they contribute to the prosperity of our country. They are useful for industrial development, construction purpose, progress of transport and communication, trade and commerce. Some minerals have great economic value, example gold, diamond, etc. India is endowed with many minerals. So the next I am going to go is important minerals. What do you mean by important? The first and most important mineral is iron ore. Okay, what do you know about iron ore, children? Iron ore is a ferrous metallic mineral, and it is an important raw material for the iron and steel industry. India is endowed with large reserves of iron ore. It is found in many states, but few states are rich in reserves and production. Example, Odisha, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore in India. Its iron ore occurs mainly in the districts of Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Cuttack and Koraput, Bastar, Durg and Jabalpur districts in Chhattisgarh, Singhbhum, Palampur, Dhanbad and Hazaribagh in Jharkhand, Sandur, Hospet, Kemmanagundi and Kudremukh areas in Karnataka. Iron ore is also found in Goa, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. India is the fourth largest producer of iron ore in the world. Nearly 35% of its production is consumed by the iron and steel industry. The rest of it is exported. So this is about iron ore. The second one I am going to go is manganese ore. What do you know about manganese ore, children? Manganese is the most important ferroalloy metal. It is used for the manufacture of steel. It is also in the manufacture of dry batteries, paints, glass, potteries and calico painting. So manganese is also one of the most important ferroalloy metal. So keep it in mind, children. So India is one of the leading producer and exporter of manganese ore in the world. Odisha, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka states are main producers of manganese in the country. Odisha is the largest processor and producer of manganese ore in India. Its best manganese ore is found in Sundargarh, Kalavandi and Koraput district. Nagpur, Bandara, Ratnagiri and Maharashtra, Balkad, Chindwara, Jabalpur and Devas in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Kannada, Shivamogga, Ballari, Chitradurga and Tumkur district in Karnataka are the major producers of manganese ore. Telangana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Bihar are the other minor producer of manganese. India is the fifth largest producer of manganese in the world. India exports its surplus manganese ore mainly in Japan, UK, USA and Belgium. So India is the fifth largest producer of manganese in the world, keep it in mind. And India exports its surplus manganese ore mainly to Japan, UK, USA and Belgium. So next I am going to continue with the next topic I am going to take is bauxite. So next topic I am going to go is bauxite, children. Okay, what do you mean by bauxite? It is also the main source of aluminium. India has rich deposits of bauxite. The largest reserves of bauxite are in Odisha, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Odisha has the largest reserves and is the biggest producer of bauxite ore in India. Its bauxite deposits are mainly found in Kalahandi, Gorakhpur, Sundargarh and Sambalpur district. Bauxite ore is also found in Bilaspur, Durg, Surganj, Kujal and Raigad in Chhattisgarh, Ratnagiri, Kolhapur, Thana and Satara in Maharashtra, Ranchi, Lohardaga and Palamau. It is in Jharkhand, Jamnagar, Junagadh, Kheda and Bhavanagar in Gujarat, Shahdol, Mandal and Balghat in Madhya Pradesh, Godavari and Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Salem and Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu, Uttar Kannada, Belgavi and Chikkamangaluru districts in Karnataka. This is about bauxite. Next I am going to go is mica. What do you mean by mica, children? It is also one of the important non-metallic mineral. It can be easily split into very thin transparent sheets and is heat resistant. Mica sheets are used in electrical industry, telephone, aeroplane, automobiles and wireless communication. The reserves of mica are largely found in Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan, which is the second largest producer, mica deposits are found mainly in the districts of Jaipur, Ajmer, Bhilwara, Udaipur, Hazaribagh, Danpur, Palamau, Ranchi and Singwa in Jharkhand, Gaya, Munjar and Bhagalpur in Bihar are the other important producers of mica. Small deposits of mica are found even in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Odisha, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Chhattisgarh. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Recently, mica export has declined because synthetic mica is being produced in many countries. So, I will repeat this once again. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Recently, mica export has declined because synthetic mica is being produced in many countries. So, thank you children for watching this video. Next, I will continue this lesson in the next class. Read the textbook also. Thank you. Have a nice day.